Hi guys, Ollie Luke here. We are just chilling. It's Ollie's feed time, but I've started cycling in more pureed food to get him used to and weaned off of the formula. He's fully aware that it's in my back pocket and is doing everything that he can to try to get it and find it. Do you want it? Huh? Did you forget? Ah, my little pickpocket one. You want to get it out? Go on there. Here you go. You had a hold of that. Hey, chill out. Come here. You want to try it? Come on then. Go twist that thing up. Yeah, see, you gotta like work it, bro. Yeah. I don't want it, it's yours. Ah. There you go. So this one's just root vegetables and apple. So it's low sugar, high nutrition. And it's good for them. It's for stage 2 babies, but oh, is that good? It's a parent's choice one. Is that good? There you go. Here, I'll squeeze it. Hold on. You're so greedy. Is that good stuff? Yeah, you really liking that one, huh? Okay. Oh, now you're making a mess. As always, he really loves the purees. He loves puree day, huh? You do? Is it good? So typically in the wild they don't eat root vegetables because they live in the tops of trees. So, you know, Boo and Happy are more likely to find a root veggie than Ollie would be. But he likes them. Don't you? Is that good? Wow. There you go. Is that good, Rob? You like that one? Get your tangles. Oh man, he's like leaning on it really heavily. And I'm trying not to like squeeze it all out right now because it's coming. There you go. So anyone who knows Ollie knows that he doesn't sit still very well unless something captures his interest, and as you can see, I think the pouch captures his interest. Yeah, bro. Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of a baby squirrel monkey. Please like and subscribe.